और देश के लिए करे।
Meghalaya have finally won a medal at the National Games, with Pynshgain Kurbah taking bronze in canoeing at the ongoing 38th edition being held in Uttarakhand. Pynshgain's medal is the first for Meghalaya at this level in this sport. It also ends a long wait for any medal in the National Games, with the last for the state coming in 2015. Meghalaya drew a blank in 2022 and 2023. In a video call to Pynshgain, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma congratulated the young athlete and stated that as part of the sports policy's implementation and to acknowledge Pynshgain's remarkable accomplishment, the government will provide him with a government job.
I take this opportunity to congratulate our young hero, Pynshgain Kurbah, for winning the bronze medal in the national games. So, Pynshgain, I also have one more good news for you. I want to tell you that when you come back here, we'll be working towards getting a government job for you so that you have security in the future, because you have done us all proud and you deserve it, and you will also be an example to other young kids who will also strive to get a medal at the national games, Asian Games or the Olympics. So just wanted to share. So when you come back, we'll get the paperwork done and we'll get you a government job from the government. That's part of our sports policy, which we had passed, and you will be the first person to get the benefit of that policy.
And now